morning, children. Today I am going to teach you chapter 6, ratio and proportion. Okay? So what is ratio and proportion? When we compare two same types of things, okay, when we compare two same types of things, that we call ratio. Just like that weight. Suppose two students' weight, we have to compare. It's like suppose Ashok, his weight is 55 kilogram and Aman, his weight is 60 kilogram. If we have to compare, then we use ratio. 55 kilogram divided by 60 kilogram. Kilogram cancel. Then by 5 you can cancel it. 5 11s are and 5 12s are. So the ratio will be 11:12. These 2 points we say ratio. Ratio we indicate like this. Understood? That you know, you studied in class 5 also, class 6 also. Now in class 7 about ratio. That was this whatever I told, that is basic thing. Now, how to convert a ratio in fraction? Okay, it's given that ratio to fraction and fraction to ratio. First of all, I want to tell you fraction to ratio. If any fraction is given, just now I have told any fraction is given that 32 meter divided by 64 meter. Then you have to convert it. Just 32 ones are 32 twos are, so this one ratio to convert it. Simple. That you also know. And what ratio to we can write 1/2 also. Any fraction is there. If any fraction is there, you can convert it in ratio directly. If it is in prime number, these two are, this is not prime number, but 2 is prime number. Suppose 3:5 is there. These two are prime numbers. We cannot cancel. So this is the ratio form, reduced ratio form. Understood? And if it is not reduced, just like this, 32:64, it is not reduced, so you have to reduce it. Okay, you have to reduce it and then you have to write it. That is conversion of a fraction into ratio. Okay, next. Next is to divide a given quantity into a given ratio. How to divide a given quantity into given ratio? Suppose you have rupees 72, okay, and you have to divide it into rupees 72 in 8:9. Not 8 ratio, I am taking something else. 7:11. Okay, this ratio I have to do. 7:11. You have to divide 72 rupees 72 into 7:11. Then what you have to do? First of all, you have to find out sum of ratio. That is 7 plus 11 equal to 18. Okay. Then first part that is 7. First part is 7. So 7 upon sum of ratio is 18 into this rupees 70, this amount. So 18 4s are 72 and 7 4s are 28. So rupees 28 will be for the first person. Okay, and second part equal to that second part is 11. So 11 upon 18 into 7. Same process we will apply. 18 fours and this one is rupees 44. 4 11 are 40. For checking your answer, if you add 28 and 44, 28 plus 44, add it 72. It is coming 72. So 72 is divided into two parts in ratio 7 ratio 11, that is rupees 28 and rupees 40. Okay, and rupees 28 divided by rupees 44, if we make it ratio, see rupees cancel, we can cancel it by 4. 4 sevens are and 4 11. What is there? 7 ratio 11 ratio is coming 7 ratio 11. Enough? Okay. Now next we are given same thing given. Examples given. Examples you read yourself. You can understand examples. Now I am going to solve exercise 6A. Some questions of exercise 6A. Only these are there. Before starting, one more thing I want to tell, that ratio has no unit. Just now I have told that, see here, rupees 28 divided by rupees 44. So unit rupees will cancel. And in ratio only two numbers are there. Two numerals will be there. No units. So ratio has no unit. Okay. If units are given different, suppose you have given 3000 meter. Okay. And you have given 12 kilometer. You have to make it in ratio. Just find out the ratio between this. Okay. Suppose this one, distance 1, D1 and distance 2. So you have to find out D1 ratio D2. What do you have to do? D1 ratio D2 means 3000 meter ratio 12 kilometer. Now 3000 meter is there and kilometer is there. We cannot cancel meter and kilometer. So what do you have to do? We have to change this meter into kilometer or this kilometer into meter. We have to change the unit in same. Okay, in same system, that is 3000 meter equal to 3 kilometer. Do you know that? Why? That 1000 meter equal to 1 kilometer. So 1 meter equal to 1 upon 1000 kilometer. So 3000 meter equal to 3000 divided by 1000 kilometer. So when we will cancel it, this will give you 3 kilometer. Now, ratio 12 kilometer. So 3 kilometer divided by 12 kilometer. Kilometer cancel. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. This will be 1 ratio 4. Hope you understand that whenever different units will be there, you have to make it same. Then you apply ratio. Understood? So now I am going to solve some questions of exercise 6A. See. In exercise 6A, some that is, first term is express each of the given ratio in its simplest form. Okay, this is the first question. So I am doing second one. First one is 22 ratio 66 that you can do easily. So 1.5 ratio 2.5. It is given. So this you can write 1.5 divided by 2.5 like this. Now decimal you can remove. What we can write? Here after decimal 1 digit. Here also after decimal 1 digit. So we can remove it multiplying by 10. That I am not going to show that multiply by 10, but you know very well. So 1.5 upon 2.5 decimal will remove 15 by 25 will come. And then cancel it by 5. 5 3 the 5 5. So what it is? 3 upon 5 which is equal to 3 ratio 1. Okay. Now, so third one. Since 1 by 4 ratio 12 1 by 2. Now, mixed fractions are there. So what you have to do? This is new thing for you. So I am going to explain. Listen carefully. Okay. First of all, you have to change it in improper fraction. 4 6 are 24 plus 1 25 upon 4. Ratio 12 to the 24 plus 1 25 upon 2. This much is clear. Now, see the denominators 4 and 2. So you have to find out the LCM of 4 and 2. That you know. What is LCM? LCM of 4 and 2 equal to what? If you don't know how to find out LCM, I am repeating here again. You know, you studied it in class 4. From class 4 you are learning about LCM. So 2 2 1 2 1 1. So LCM equal to 2 into 2 equal to 4. Understood? So what is the LCM of 4 and 2? 4. Okay. So what we have to do? This is 4. Already this is 4. We have to make this one 4. Or no need to make 4. This LCM, by this LCM you multiply in each ratio, each term. 25 by 4 multiply by 4. Ratio 25 by 2 multiply by 4. Here 4 cancel. Here 2 2s are 4. So what is coming? 25 ratio 25 2s are 50. Now 25 upon 50 if we do, this is 1 ratio 2. And repeating this method, whenever you get the ratio in fractional form, first of all, you have to change it in improper fraction. If it is in mixed fraction, you have to change it in improper fraction. Then find out the LCM of the denominator. Whatever LCM you will get, by that LCM you multiply in each term of ratio. This is first term, this is second term of ratio. So by the LCM you multiply in each ratio, then you cancel it, you will get the simplest form. Simple form, then you can cancel it and get simplest form. Okay? This is the method to find out the simplest form of ratio which are given in fractional form. Okay? Now, question number 4. Question number 4. Here, units are given. In question number 4, first 4, unit is given. 40 kilogram, ratio 1 quintal. Okay, ratio 1 quintal. Now it is kilogram, it is 1 quintal. So you should know the scale. 1 quintal equal to how many kilogram? 100 kilogram. Okay. So you just change it 40 kilogram ratio 100 kilogram. Now 40 kilogram upon 100 kilogram. Kilogram kilogram cancel. 22 is the 25. So ratio will be 22:1. Suppose here in case of 1 quintal, 3 quintal is there, then 300 kilograms. 10 quintal is there, then 1000 kilograms. Then multiplied by 100. Understood, students? Okay. Now I am going to do 8th question. Okay, 8. 6 months ratio 1:3 years. Now it is easy to change year into month. Is it? If we multiply by 12, then we can get the year in months. Because in 1 year, how many months? 12 months. So year we can multiply by 12. Okay? So 6 months ratio, here we change it in improper fraction. 3 ones are 3 plus 1, 4/3. Multiply by 12. Now you change it, you have changed it in months. Now 3 4s are 12. 6 months ratio, 4 4s are 16 months. Now you change it in ratio, then cut the months. Months cancel. We can cancel it by 2. 2 3s are and 2 8s are. So this will be 3:8. This is clear? Now let me solve the last question of this ninth part of first question. This is 1:3 ratio 2 1/4 ratio 2 1/2. This is in fractional form and mixed fractional form. Okay, so first thing what we have to do, we have to change it in improper fraction. 3 1 3 plus 1, 4/3 ratio. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9/4. 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5/2. Okay. Now LCM of 3, 4 and 2 is equal what? What it is? 12. It should be 12. 3, 4, 2. It should be 12. Find out here. Okay. Now multiply by 12. In each term multiplied by 12. 3 4s are 4, 3s are 2, 6s are. Now multiply 4 4s are 16. Ratio 9 is 27. Ratio 5 6 are 30. So the simplest form is 16 ratio 27 ratio 30. Okay, students? Now some word problem I am going to solve. Question number 3. First I have solved, second you have to solve. Third one, rupees 720 is divided between x and y in ratio 4:5. How many rupees will each get? So that amount equal to rupees 720. Okay, and ratio x ratio y is equal to 4:5. Now you have to find out sum of ratio. That is 4 plus 5 is 9. Now first part on x equal to you take first part 4 upon sum of ratio 9 into 720 rupees 720. So 9 is the 72. This will be 80 and this one 320. Why? That is second part 5/9. into rupees 720. 80, this will be rupees 400. When you add it, you see 720 will come. Okay? Now, question number 5. A rectangular field is 100 meter by 80 meter. Find the ratio of length to width and width to its perimeter. So first of all, you write length of a rectangle, that is equal to 100 meter, and width of rectangle equal to 80 meter. So perimeter of rectangle, that is equal to 2 into L plus B, 2 into 100 meter plus 80 meter equal to 2 into 180 meter equal to 360 meter. That much you found. Now, first question, you have to find out length ratio width. Okay, so 100 meter ratio 80 meter. What you can write? 100 meter upon 80 meter. Meter cancel, 0 cancel. 2 5s are 2 4s are. So ratio will be 5:4. And second one, it is asking width ratio perimeter. That is why I found perimeter first. Width is 80 meter, ratio perimeter is 360 meter. Now find out it, 80 meter upon 360 meter. Meter cancel, 0 cancel. You can cancel it by 4. 4 2s are 4 9. So this one is 2:9. Okay. Now come to question number 7. 7 you can do easily. See how. Question number 7. The ratio between two quantities 3:4. If first one is rupees 810, find the second. So this type of question you have to solve like this. Ratio you have given, first of all write ratio, that is 3:4. Okay. So and first ratio, that is first quantity or first amount equal to rupees 810. So by ratio you can suppose that the two parts are, let first part be 3x, as it is given 3. So you assume first part be 3x and second part be, here 4 given, 4x. Now according to question into Q I am writing, this means according to question, that 3x equal to 810. In question it is given, first amount is 810. Okay. So write it according to question, 3x equal to rupees 810. So find out the value of x. Rupees 810 divided by 3. Now cancel it. 3 2s are 6 and here it is 3 7s are 270. X equal to 270. So second one it is asking. So second part equal to 4x. So 4 into 270. Right? Here it is rupees also. Rupees. Okay? So rupees 1080. Okay? So this is second part. So this type of question, whenever it is given ratio and first part given or second part given, any part is given, you assume according to ratio, assume this one is 3x, this one is 4x, this part is 3x, this part is 4x. Then which one given here? 3x given 810. So by equaling it, just equal it and get the value of x. that ratio x, and then you just put this value of x in second part. Same thing, if second part given, find out from the second part value of x and then put it in the first part. Understood, students? Question number. Come to question number 15. I'm going to solve question number 15. I was searching this question that 3 persons start a business and spend rupees 25,000, rupees 15,000 and rupees 40,000 respectively. Find the share of each out of a profit of rupees 14,400 in year. Profit is there. Profit, first of all, write profit amount is equal to rupees 14,400. Okay. Then find out the ratio. Ratio will be as they spend the money according to that. Rupees 25,000 ratio rupees 15,000 ratio rupees 40,000. Okay, so rupees will cancel in each one, if ratio will be there, and 3 zeros will cancel, so it will become 25 ratio, 15 ratio, 40. If we cancel it by 1,000, then we will get this, and again we can cancel it by 5. So 5 5s are, 5 3s are, and 5 8s are. So the ratio in simplest form what came? 5 ratio 3 ratio 8. Now find out sum of ratio. That is 5 plus 3 plus 8. 16. Sum of ratio is 16. Okay. So 16. Now first person. Profit of first person. You write like this. Profit of first person, that is equal to 5 upon 16 into this profit 14,400. This one will 900. 16 and 144. Okay, so this one is 4,500. So first person will get 4,500. Profit of second person, that is 3 upon 16 into 14,400. Same thing, 900 will come and 2,700 will get the second person. And profit of third person equal to 8 by 16 multiplied by 14,400, and cancel it, 900 will come and rupees 7,200. So first person will get rupees 4,500, second person will get rupees 2,700, and third person will get rupees 7,000. Second person will get 2,700 and third person will get 7,200. So understood, students? This much. Okay. So solve the questions of this exercise. If any problem is there, then we will discuss it online classes. Okay, students? Thank you, children.